Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a Google form, perfect for surveys, quizzes, registrations, or collecting feedback. It's fast, easy, and totally free. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Forms. Go to forms.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click the blank form with the plus symbol to start a new one. Step 2. Name your form. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Form and type in a title, for example, Event Sign Up or Student Survey. You can also add a short description just below the title to explain what the form is about. Step 3. Add your first question. By default, your first question appears automatically. Click on it to type your question. For example, what is your name? You can choose the answer type, short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, and more. Step 4. Add more questions. Click the plus icon on the right to add a new question. Repeat this for each new item you want to include, like name, email, preferences, or ratings. Step 5. Customize the form theme. Click the paint palette icon at the top to change the color or add a header image. This gives your form a more personal or professional look. Step 6. Preview and test. Click the eye icon at the top right to preview how your form will look to others. You can fill it out yourself to test everything before sharing. Step 7. Share your form. Once your form is ready, click the Send button. You can send it by email, copy the link, or even embed it on a website. If you want a short link, click Shorten URL before copying. That's it. You've just created a clean, functional Google form in just a few minutes. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you want to learn how to see responses or create quizzes with auto-grading, let me know in the comments.